Miele W806 Premier Plus from September 1997, and Miele W906 possibly from May 2000. Same era, same parts, same everything, almost. Aside from the pump impellers, really. Original bearings and brushes, replaced bearings and brushes. Right. That's not right. That's not right. Let me do that again. The screws on this one's motor are tightened all the way up. The screws on this one's motor are not so tight. Let me show you actually. Yeah, not easy to move. At all. Whereas the other one, oh shit, don't want to break the cables on that one. Weird trailer configuration. By the way, I took the motor apart on this one and reassembled it myself. Almost nothing. They're not tightened all the way in. Yeah, as soon as I tighten them, let's try loosening them first. Let's try loosening them first. There's a third one. Oh shit. At least 3 of them. Now the drum motor feels a tad more mobile, I think. Yeah, that's more mobile. That's more mobile. Let's tighten the screws in again. Let's loosen them again, provided my camera doesn't rattle. It's been dropped a lot, so the loose part in the lens is rattling. That doesn't feel so restricted. That feels more able to move than how it was when I tightened it. What does this mean? Oh, f***. What does this mean, people? That one's screws are bloody tight on the motor, and the drum moves around perfectly fine, but it's got its original brushes and bearings on the motor. This one has had its motor bearings and brushes replaced, as the original brushes are gone, and I reassembled the motor back together. I took the motor apart and put it back together myself. Well, when I tighten it, somehow it restricts the movement of the drum. What could this mean? Is it the bearings? Is it the brushes? Or have I reassembled the motor incorrectly? Is it a very precise operation to reassemble a Miele motor for a washing machine of this era? Let me know, because if I have done something incorrectly with that motor, it could be potentially bad for its future, and I don't want to risk destroying the original motor of this washing machine. It could not only be bad for the motor, but for the entire electrical system as well. I don't want there to be any explosions unexpectedly for while it's busy. So, yeah. Let me know, please, as soon as possible. Again, original bearings and brushes on the motor. Not repaired. I have not taken the motor apart on this. And the screws are tightened all the way in. And this drum moves like a charm. It moves around freely as it should. There is no restriction on the motor's movement. But with that one, I've had to take it apart because the bearings on the motor, the old ones, had disintegrated. And new brushes have been put in as well to make sure I don't have to repair the motor again. But when I screw the screws back in, the motor gets stiffer. Have I screwed up the motor reassembly? Is it just new bearings? Is it just new brushes? What is it that when I tighten the screws back in on this washing machine, the motor becomes stiff? Have I done it improperly? Let me know as soon as possible. Bye.